The 2026 BMW M9 feels like BMW has taken everything it learned from the M division over decades and pushed it into a completely new era of performance, luxury, and futuristic engineering. This is not just another fast luxury coupe. It feels more like a statement car, something designed to sit above the traditional M lineup and compete directly with exotic Grand Tours and hybrid supercars. Early reports and concept previews suggest the M9 combines extreme power, aggressive aerodynamics, advanced hybrid technology, and ultra-premium luxury into one machine. The first thing you notice about the 2026 BMW M9 is its road presence. The car sits extremely low and wide, giving it a planted supercar-like stance. BMW has clearly focused on making the M9 look both elegant and intimidating at the same time. The front fascia features a redesigned kidney grille with active aerodynamic elements that automatically adjust airflow depending on speed and cooling requirements. Slim laser LED headlights stretch sharply into the fenders, giving the car a futuristic expression that instantly stands out. As you walk around the exterior, every body line feels sculpted for performance. The hood is long and muscular with aggressive creases running toward the windshield. Massive air intakes dominate the front bumper, channeling airflow toward the cooling system and aerodynamic tunnels. Carbon fiber splitters and side skirts give the car a track-focused personality while still maintaining luxury car elegance. From the side profile, the M9 looks closer to a grand touring supercar than a traditional BMW coupe. The roofline flows smoothly toward the rear, creating a sleek silhouette that improves airflow at high speed. Flush door handles sit seamlessly within the body panels to reduce drag, while large forged alloy wheels fill the aggressive wheel arches perfectly. Most reports suggest the M9 could ride on 21-inch front wheels and even larger rear wheels for improved traction and visual presence. The rear section is equally dramatic. Thin LED taillights stretch across the back with a futuristic light signature that instantly identifies the car at night. A large carbon fiber diffuser dominates the lower bumper area, while quad exhaust outlets remind everyone that despite hybrid assistance, this is still a true M performance machine. Some concept previews even suggest an active rear wing that automatically deploys at high speed for added downforce and stability. The overall exterior design philosophy feels very different from older BMW M cars. Previous generations focused heavily on subtle aggression, but the M9 embraces a much more dramatic and emotional design language. It is bold, futuristic, and intentionally attention-grabbing. Inside the cabin, the 2026 BMW M9 moves into ultra-luxury territory. The interior feels more like a high-end executive lounge combined with a racing cockpit. Premium materials cover almost every visible surface. Fine merino leather, Alcantara inserts, exposed carbon fiber trim, aluminum detailing, and ambient lighting create an atmosphere that feels both sporty and luxurious at the same time. The dashboard layout is heavily driver-focused. BMW's curved digital display system stretches across the instrument cluster and infotainment area, giving the cabin a futuristic appearance. The graphics are sharp, customizable, and designed to display real-time performance information, such as power output, hybrid energy usage, navigation, suspension settings, and performance telemetry. The steering wheel is a thick flat-bottom M performance unit wrapped in premium leather with carbon fiber accents and integrated M mode controls. Paddle shifters behind the wheel allow quick gear changes, while dedicated drive mode buttons let the driver instantly switch between comfort cruising and aggressive track settings. The seats are heavily bolstered M Sport seats designed to hold the driver securely during high-speed cornering. Despite their aggressive design, they also include heating, ventilation, massage functions, and multiple electric adjustments. BMW is clearly trying to combine track-focused performance with long-distance luxury comfort. Rear seat space is expected to be limited compared to full-size luxury sedans, but this car is clearly focused on the driver and front passenger experience rather than maximum practicality. Still, BMW ensures the rear passengers receive premium materials, climate controls, and digital connectivity features. Technology is one of the strongest aspects of the M9. Reports suggest the car could feature next-generation BMW iDrive software with AI-assisted driving systems, augmented reality navigation, voice-controlled functions, and Level 3 autonomous driving capability in certain conditions. One of the most impressive aspects of the interior is the balance between digital innovation and emotional driving feel. While many modern luxury cars are becoming overly screen-focused, BMW appears to be trying to maintain a strong driver connection through performance-oriented controls and physical interaction points. Under the hood is where the M9 becomes truly extraordinary. Most early reports suggest BMW is preparing either a twin-turbo hybrid V8 or an extremely advanced electrified V10 setup capable of producing over 750 horsepower. Some rumors even suggest output figures approaching 850 horsepower in the highest performance configuration. The hybrid system is expected to provide instant torque assistance, improving acceleration while also increasing efficiency. This setup allows the M9 to deliver brutal straight-line performance without sacrificing everyday drivability. Early estimates suggest a 0 to 100 km per hour time below 2.6 seconds, placing it directly in supercar territory. Unlike older M cars that focused purely on raw combustion engine aggression, the M9 appears to combine electric torque delivery with traditional BMW performance character. The result is expected to be explosive acceleration, combined with refined power management. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system is also expected to play a major role in performance. The intelligent AWD system can distribute torque dynamically between front and rear wheels, depending on traction conditions and driving mode. In aggressive performance settings, the car may prioritize rear-wheel drive behavior to maintain traditional M car excitement and drifting capability. Handling is expected to be extremely sharp thanks to advanced adaptive suspension systems, rear-wheel steering, and lightweight chassis construction. Carbon fiber and aluminum are likely used extensively throughout the body and frame to reduce weight while maintaining structural rigidity. This lightweight construction improves cornering stability, braking performance, and overall responsiveness. Even though the M9 is expected to be a relatively large luxury coupe, BMW engineers are clearly aiming to make it feel agile and connected, like a much smaller sports car. Braking performance is another major highlight. Carbon ceramic braking systems are expected to come standard on higher trims, providing incredible stopping power even under extreme driving conditions. Large ventilated brake discs, combined with advanced ABS and electronic stability systems, ensure the car remains controlled during high-speed driving. The sound experience of the M9 will likely be very interesting because hybrid performance cars create a different type of emotional character compared to traditional V8 machines. BMW is expected to tune the exhaust system carefully so the car still delivers an aggressive M-car soundtrack while balancing the quieter operation of hybrid assistance. Driving modes are expected to completely transform the personality of the car. In comfort mode, the M9 will likely behave as a refined luxury grand tourer with smooth suspension tuning and quiet cabin comfort. In sport and track modes, the car becomes dramatically sharper, lowering suspension height, increasing throttle response, stiffening steering feel, and amplifying exhaust sound. One of the most important things about the 2026 BMW M9 is what it represents for the future of BMW performance cars. It signals a transition from traditional combustion-only performance toward electrified performance without sacrificing emotional driving excitement. BMW understands that enthusiasts still want connection, sound, and engagement, even as the industry moves toward hybrid and electric technology. The expected price reflects the exclusivity and advanced engineering of the car. Early estimates suggest pricing could start around $150,000 and climb well above $200,000, depending on customization options and performance packages. That places the M9 in direct competition with high-end luxury performance cars from brands like Mercedes-AMG, Porsche, Aston Martin, and even some exotic supercars. However, BMW seems determined to position the M9 as something unique, a machine that combines luxury coupe, comfort, hybrid innovation, and true MD Vision performance into one complete package. For enthusiasts, the M9 represents excitement, because it proves BMW is still willing to build emotional performance cars, even in an era dominated by electrification and automation. It may use hybrid systems and advanced AI technology, but at its core, it still appears focused on delivering a thrilling driving experience. The 2026 BMW M9 is ultimately not just about numbers, horsepower, or luxury features. It is about pushing BMW's identity into the future, while respecting the performance heritage that made the M division legendary in the first place. It combines futuristic technology with emotional design, brutal speed with refined comfort, and luxury craftsmanship with track-inspired engineering. If the final production version delivers even close to what current reports and previews suggest, the BMW M9 could become one of the most exciting performance luxury cars of the modern era.